Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about physiological phases of tooth development. So let's start our topic. Physiological phases of tooth development, also known as odontogenesis, is a complex and meticulously regulated process that spans various stages, including initiation stage that is also called as birth stage. Then we have proliferation and morphogenesis stage that is also called as cap stage. Then we have differentiation and histogenesis stage that is also called as well stage. Then we have apposition stage, calcification stage that is also called as maturation stage, and then we have eruption stage, and then at the last we have root formation or post eruption stage. So these are the main 7 stages or phases of the development we are going to talk about. So let's start our topic with the initiation stage that is also called as birth stage. If we talk about the time frame, it begins at the 6th and 7th week of prenatal development, and key events that happen during birth stage are epithelial cells of oral ectoderm invaginate into the underlying mesenchyme to form dental lamina. This marks the beginning of tooth bud formation. The next phase we have is proliferation and morphogenesis stage that is also called as cap stage. Time frame is between 8th and 10th week. Key events that happens during this stage are the dental lamina enlarge and form a cap-like structure over the mesenchymal tissue. The enamel organ, dental papilla and dental follicle are differentiated, establishing the tooth germ. Now the next stage, that is differentiation and histogenesis, that is also called as Bell stage. Its time frame is about 11th to 12th week, and key events that happen during Bell stage are cells within enamel organ differentiate into distinct layers in the enamel epithelium, outer enamel epithelium, stellate reticulum and stratum intermedium, as this is differentiation stage. The dental papilla differentiate into odontoblasts and pulp cells. Crown shape is formed during this stage. The next stage we have is apposition stage. Time frame for it is late in fetal development, and key events that happen is matrix deposition begins. Ameloblasts produce enamel matrix, and odontoblasts secrete dentine matrix. Tooth hard tissue start forming incrementally. The next stage we have is calcification stage, that is also called as maturation stage. Time frame is it continues postnatally, and key events that include are mineralization occur as a hydroxyapatite crystal are deposited in the enamel and dentine matrices. Hard tissue maturation ensures structural integrity. Now we'll talk about the eruption stage. Time frame is it starts postnatally and continues till adolescence. Key events that happens is that the tooth migrates through the jawbone and gum tissue into the oral cavity. This stage allows the tooth to emerge and take its position in the dental arch. The next stage we have is root formation stage or post eruption stage. Time frame is extends into adolescence. Key events that happens during this is cementum and periodontal ligament develops, stabilize the tooth. Growth of the root continues to support and encourage. So this was all about the stages, all the stages of tooth formation. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you want any video simplification or any topic simplification, you can also comment. Thank you for watching.